So here we are in Whitewood mode again. Same as Whitewood mode before, where you hit the center target and it actually resets the drop targets. So let's drop the ball in. So all this is happening without any MPF running or any other framework. This is just the board, the Gen 2 boards running by themselves. Pop up, pop up. Etc. So just constantly feeds the ball, feeds the ball, feeds the ball, because it doesn't really have any rules running with it anymore. So let's pull out the playfield and show you what it looks like on the back. So just to do that quickly, I got one connection here. That's basically my connection for all of the voltage and power. And this up, and always remove the pinball before you do that. Which, who remembers to do that? And yeah, it's all good. That's got enough space. So let's see here. Zoop. Okay, yeah, I should probably just take the camera off because that'll be easier. The tripod. Okay, so what do we have here? So of course the board's upside down because that's how I pulled it out. Or the playfield's upside down at this point. So right here, this is actually the card that's in the end of the loop, and you can actually see the ribbon cable going to it. And if you follow the ribbon cable down to the next card, and the last card. So if you look at all this, there are actually 4 Gen 2 cards talking all together. So right now, basically the only thing that the ribbon cable's really passing through it is the voltage, just to run all the cards. I have run tests to make sure that all the cards are talking to each other, and you can actually see the jumper, maybe, on that guy that actually wraps back the signal and goes to the thing. One of the cool things that you can do, where do I have it? Oh, I don't have it here. Let's see. One of the cool things you can do is, this is how I actually, here's the adapter that I actually use to talk to the card itself. So you can see the focus. You can see the top of the USB to serial port adapter that you get with each of the Cypress cards. And then I actually soldered on the wires onto the USB. If you just try and use a USB extender cable to talk to the Cypress cards, you'll end up finding out that you get you'll lose bus connectivity because the jarring of the machine is too much for the USB Type A connector. So that won't work very well. So what I end up doing is I solder these connections, then I use a couple tie wraps for some cable management and to make sure that there isn't too much stress on the cable, and I'm not putting any stress on these soldered connections right here. And this connector is the one that that goes into your computer that's actually running MPF for whatever framework you really feel like. And then this guy gets connected onto the 4-pin adapter on your interface cards. So that's everything for today.